In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually enter transactions in your QuickBooks Online register. If you need to quickly add a transaction directly into an account register, QuickBooks Online gives you a simple way to do it without navigating through a full transaction form first. This can be especially helpful when you already know which account the transaction belongs to and you want to enter it efficiently. To get started, go to the top right corner of QuickBooks Online and click the gear icon. This is where you'll find a variety of settings and lists that help you manage your company file. From the menu that appears, select Chart of Accounts. This opens the complete list of accounts in your QuickBooks file, including bank accounts, credit cards, and other accounts where transactions may be recorded. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, find the specific account you want to manually enter transactions for. It's important to choose the correct account here because the register you open will be tied directly to that account. After you've located it, click View Register. This will open the account register where you can review existing activity and add new entries. At the top left of the register table, click Add to create a new transaction. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl, Alt, and N, then choose the transaction type you want to enter. This can save a little time if you're entering several transactions and want to work more quickly. After that, simply enter the transaction details. Depending on the type of transaction, you may need to fill in information such as the date, description, payment method, reference details, and amount. Take a moment to double-check everything before moving on, especially the amount and transaction type, so your register stays accurate. Entering transactions directly in the register is convenient, but accuracy is key because these entries affect your account balances and financial records. Once your details are entered, your transaction is in the register, and that's all there is to it. This is a fast and practical method for recording activity manually in QuickBooks Online, particularly when you want a streamlined way to update an account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel more confident using the QuickBooks Online register.